In our hot topics and international week that was, there's a lot going on in the world, but what do the kids think about these issues? Debbie Hunter of Woolmer's Prep, his father was a Manning Cup winner, her father was a Manning Cup winner at St. George's College, and Tajri Jones, who looks like he's going to be a Manning Cup winner at whichever school he goes to Bass Prep. Somebody says the best school.
Yes, who says so?
I say Karine.
Okay, wonder where she went.
Good morning, young lady and young man. How are you, Taji?
I'm fine, thank you, Neville. And how are you?
Very well,
I love it.
Very well. And
Big
how are you,
man's-
Debbie Ann?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
We're very well, thank you. Gosh, you guys are so well-mannered. All right, where are we starting, Mr. Bell?
First thing is, how is school?
It's good.
Are you not at school today? No school today?
No,
Why?
no school today.
Why?
Well, the teachers are having a special event at my school.
Okay. But at my daughter's school
it's
today
not
is
midterm?
career day.
It's not midterm or not like that today?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe
Nothing's
next week.
happening in my school. It's just off of school for today.
Okay.
Because yesterday was Child's Day. Mr. will need a little break.
Oh, that's nice. I want to go to your school when I grow up. All right. So let's talk to you guys and see if we can get into your heads a little bit. Obviously, you have parents, you have friends, you have siblings,
Yeah.
Yes.
brothers, sisters. Yes? What are some of the things that you think, like people like me and Uncle Nev, that we should say to you guys more often?
Well, I think you guys should try to encourage us more often. And also try just to help us go through life.
Do you get a lot of encouragement now? I'm sure you do.
Yes, I do.
Do you find, though, that sometimes we only, maybe Tadri can answer this, we only say things to you guys when we need to do something better? Tadri, why you don't do this better? But when you do good things, we're not as supportive? Is that true, you think?
No, I
No?
really don't think that's
good.
true. Because I have great parents and I know them.
Fantastic.
When you do something wrong, how are you scolded by mommy and daddy? Do they come up and say, Patrick, next time you do it?
They're going to beat me and then they'll teach me a valuable lesson so I wasn't dating them.
True. When you still get beaten, you still get beaten?
No, not anymore. I don't get it.
My mom
Okay.
used to say some crazy stuff like, I'm going to knock off your head if you don't smart enough.
And she never followed up.
And she never ever knock off your head. But I did kind of know that she wouldn't do it. But mommy and daddy said anything like that to you guys?
Yes.
Sometimes.
Is it fun to be a child, or do you guys want to grow up? Like my daughter says to me all the time, I can't wait to be an adult, you know, because she wants to do things that mommy can do.
Sometimes not. Sometimes I really feel like I really want to grow up because I want to do so much fun things like travel by myself. But sometimes I like being a child.
Debbie, you know that is when it finished.
Yeah.
You see, when mommy and daddy start to say, do the things yourself and go for that and bring it, you know that is it. And you don't want to lift you up no more. So I wouldn't be in a hurry to reach where I am, you know. No, I can't even last anybody lift me up.
True.
And
Wow.
I used to enjoy that when my parents lift me
Well,
up.
you're a little hard to lift now.
But that's my point. So you shouldn't be in a hurry
Unless it's
to...
Dwayne The Rock Johnson who's going to lift you up. But
When you think about being a man, are you scared about some of the things that you see happening around, not only in Jamaica, but I'm sure you watch TV and you read and you see what's happening in the world. Do you get scared about things that you hear about and see?
Yes.
Like
yes.
what? Like
Because like some of the danger on the streets, like if I'm walking and I'm taking the bus, I don't know what will happen to me. So I'm afraid to be a man sometimes on myself, by myself.
But so you just try and take as much care as you can, huh? Can I ask you guys a really random question?
Sure.
What do you think about Donald Trump?
Okay, not to be mean or anything, but I think he's a little on the racist side.
Why do you say that?
Because
Calvin?
he really loves white people and he despises black people.
That's interesting. Tajri, are you following politics? Do you hear people talking about Trump? What do you think about Donald Trump?
I think about Donald Trump that he needs a little more security measures. He doesn't really have all of the potential.
He doesn't have all of the potential. Okay, some people would say any, but that's another story. What do you think about politics in Jamaica? Do you know a lot about Andrew Holness and?
Yes.
Yes. What do you know?
But I don't really think it's necessary that JLP and PNP fight. They could just have a normal election like the USA and other countries in the Caribbean and other countries in the world. They could just like go to a room and they could just like speak what they have on either sides, and don't even quarrel or shoot people or fight or anything.
Well, the politicians really don't shoot anybody.
Well, it's the
I
people
understand
that
what you're
follow.
trying to say.
the people that follow them.
Yeah,
So she's clear.
yeah.
Out of the mouth of babes.
Yeah,
You hear
but
this
the-
wisdom?
Yeah.
Wisdom. Wisdom.
Tajri, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I would like to be an engineer and a swimmer.
And a swimmer.
Wow, you swim now?
Yes.
You participate in meets?
Yes.
What's your best stroke?
Breaststroke is freestyle.
Your breaststroke is
Freestyle.
Your best stroke is
Breaststroke
freestyle.
is freestyle.
Okay.
And what engineer, where that come from? And what kind of engineer are you talking about?
I don't really know what kind of engineer yet, but I know why I want to be an engineer because my father is an engineer and I want to follow in his
Oh,
footsteps.
Okay, great. What's your favorite subject?
Mathematics.
Oh, you're on your way.
Mine too.
You're,
Yours
I
too?
love math.
oh my God, who are these children? Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up, Demis?
Probably a lawyer.
I think you'll do well at that. Why?
I love to express myself. I love to show people who the real me is. So yeah,
Okay.
probably a lawyer.
There's a question that my producer wants me to ask. And it says, what is your advice on love?
Okay.
Tajri, start laughing. Tajri, if you don't want to answer it, you don't have to. You could just say, I'll pass that one.
But what
I
do you
can-
think love is first?
Well, I think love is sharing, caring for each other, helping, words of encouragement, many other things.
Tajri, you want that question?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I think love is more than just kissing and hugging. It can be sharing and caring. It doesn't have to be like in a marriage way. If you're friends, you can show love to one another.
Okay.
Very
Tajri,
cool, you
I
guys.
like that. Tajri.
Yeah.
Tajri, you have a girlfriend?
Nope.
Well, he wouldn't take care and tell you here, you'll get me in trouble. Don't you ask Debbie. Don't you ask her.
I don't.
No.
Debbie's dad is standing right there.
So do you guys feel special in Child's Month? Like, do we pay you enough attention? Does enough happen for you guys to feel really important during this month?
Yes.
Yeah, so you like it.
Yeah, I love child.
Is there anything that we can do better to make you feel any more important and any more special?
Not really.
No?
Not
Tajri?
No.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
not really sure.
Which school you going to go to? Or which school are you going to now?
I'm going to Woolworths Preparatory School
You're
now.
going to go to Woolmer's?
Yes.
Tajri? So you've taken GSAT already? How was it for you?
It was a bit challenging, but it was okay.
So
Okay.
you think you're going to get the school of your choice?
Yes.
What other schools did you?
I chose for Immaculate.
So it was Woolmer's first?
No, Immaculate was first, then Woolworths, and then Arden, and then St. Andrews, and then St. Hugh's, and then Alpha,
You
and
can
then
choose
Holy
so many.
Childhood.
So with George's? Your father used to go George's?
I
was
know.
going to
She
say
has
that.
a bit of a challenge with George's.
Tajri,
Yeah.
the schools that you... So you take GSAT next year?
Year after next.
Year after
The
next.
year after next. What schools do you want to go to?
I might want to go Immaculate.
Well, you can't go back in it. There's a girls' school.
I mean, I might want to go to Woolmer's,
Yeah.
KC, or, well, I think that's it for now.
I know, very good. No George's for you. You know, I know many young men who went to Immaculate. Let me tell you, they'll tell you.
I am sorry. I never
Sister
went
had to
Immaculate.
chase them out when them jump
I'm
over that
sorry.
school wall.
I'm sorry, I never go Immaculate. To be honest,
No, you went to several other girls' schools, I'm
I
sure.
feel I could have gone Immaculate. I'll know. I'm sorry, I'm not going. I could have
Tell me
made
about your days
history.
at Excelsior.
Eh? I don't talk about
Okay,
that. That
just
exists.
checking. Okay, wow. All right. So we're
Hold
going
on,
to
I have
play.
one more thing to say.
Go on.
What you think about what's going on in the world? Because every time you read this, them bombing this place, and even in Jamaica, there is so much crime. Why do you think that happens? You guys go to church?
Yes.
What church do you go to?
St. Matthew's Anglican Church.
Same church.
Okay. What do you think about? Why is it going on? Adults just don't know how to behave ourselves or what?
Well, I'm not really sure, but it's my word for that would be revenge.
Or you think it's revenge by going on like that? Were you the Prime Minister of Jamaica? What is the first thing you would want to do?
If I was Prime Minister of Jamaica, the first thing I would do is to stop the killing and then make adults give more attention to their kids.
Wow.
You guys are bright.
Tajri, you sound like you're going to be the Governor General of the whole world.
And then she can be the PM, and then we'll be okay. What's your favorite food?
Probably pizza
Good one.
or lasagna.
My favorite food is a fruit. It's papaya.
Is your favorite food? Wow, sir. Who thought a kid would ever have a favorite food? Very good. Healthy stuff.
Oh man, you guys are brilliant. You guys are fantastic. Tajri, I have one more thing. We're going to play a game. We cannot lose.
We are going to win. Debbie and I are going to win.
Ladies are gonna win.
Tajri, we can't
We got this, girl. We can't.
Because if we lose,
Yeah.
that can prove that boys are better than girls.
But you're
I'm
not.
not saying they are, but I'm saying boys have a better chance of winning. Maybe.
If
Tajri, you have a sister?
Yes.
I better keep quiet.
Yeah.
When you go home.
My sister annoying, that's it.
But you love her though?
Yes.
Okay, she's an older sister?
I'll do anything for her.
She's an older sister? A younger sister?
How old is she?
She's
4.
4.
So you live for open?
She's a bit on the heavy side.
Oh my God. I'm done. I'm done.
When we play the game, we ready now or we have to go for a break or what we do? We can't just keep the two of them and we just talk till 9 o'clock.
One thing I forgot is that kids are very honest. They just say it as it is. So let's just take the break before they come back and tell me.
Her father's twin. Look
Is that true?
Look at her father there.
Come here, Dad. I can't see you.
Come here,
Papa.
cousin.
You finally get to go.
Oh my God, yes, that's
No.
you can't hide.
Go
Hi,
beside
Daddy.
her. Go beside her.
You must be so proud of her.
Yeah,
Oh God.
No, them don't look like twin. He's the shortest big footballer in the world. Serious, he was an outstanding centre-half at St. George's College. One man in cup for us. A really, really outstanding player. And a little bit taller than him daughter.
No, you're out of order. Listen, we're going to take a break. Oh, you're out of order. You need to take him on for that. We're going to rope them in for something to smile about. So stick around. We'll be right back. You're toast.
Hold their breath, cause she smells of corrosion and death. Watch the company you keep and the crowd you bring, cause they came to do drugs.